Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox July's FabBag. So if you have already watched my previous vlog, you would know why I am so late to film this video, but I can totally understand if you're not interested in watching what I got in previous month, then it's all okay. You can totally go ahead and skip this video. But if you are interested in knowing what all we have in July's FabBag, then please keep on watching. So as you guys can see, we have a bag over here, and also we have two products from in the box as well. So we are going to see those products first. So the first thing we have is Mohawk Herbal face wash. This is definitely a sample size product, and if you have seen my previous videos, you would know I have so many products from Mohawk and I like a lot of their products a lot. So yeah, this is also one of them. This face wash I've already tried, so I can tell that it is very soft and gentle on your skin. It won't dry your skin at all, and it's just normal face wash. So this is the first thing we have in this month's bag, not this month's bag, previous month's bag, and it says it's 50 ml and this one retails for ₹80. So this is the first thing, which is a face wash. Now the second thing I see here is from the brand Nourish Mantra. We have received their face wash previously, and I love that face wash, so I'm sure this one is also going to be great. Now this one says Nourish Mantra's body lotion, and it says it has no, it doesn't say the ingredient. It just says made with nature's finest ethical sourced ingredients. Now this is a full-size product for sure. This one is 100 ml bottle, and this one retails for ₹9.75. This is a great thing, and it's very luxurious, let me tell you. So this is how the body lotion ka bottle looks like. It is so luxurious and they're very sturdy. It's not flimsy at all, and it definitely feels luxurious as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to use this as well. Sorry, I cannot actually smell anything at this point of time, and I'm sure you can already tell from the voice I still have stuffy nose, so I really cannot smell anything at all. I literally cannot smell this. Yeah, it's okay, chalo. But I'm sure अच्छा ही smell होगा इसका भी, because I have used their face wash and it was amazing. So yeah, this is the second thing in July's FabBag. Now let's talk about the pouch. Now pouch, I'm not a big fan of this one. I don't know, it's just basic pouch. I don't even like the finishing at all. So yeah, I'm not a fan of the pouch at all. Like previous month ka pouch wasn't great at all. Now let's open the pouch and see what all we have inside of it. And as usual, we definitely have the info card. Yes, we do. And the July's FabBag theme was the Beauty on Duty July FabBag, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 product, and I also have one bonus product which I got because my subscription ended and then I renewed my subscription. That's why they always give you some gift if you go for 3 months or 6 months or 12 months. So I went for 6 months, I believe, and that's why I have a bonus product. We'll talk about that later. Now we also have in my FabBag contest ka detail, which I'm sure must have ended by now because it was previous months. Now we have the 10% off coupon code for Nourish Mantra ka product. So if you wish to buy any of their product, you can use their coupon code, which is NMFB10, which is mentioned over here. So you will get 10% off. So that's great. Now let's move on to the products. Now the first thing I see here is from the brand called Kbis, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. It's their French pink clay, and it says it's deep pore detox, so it's basically for face, obviously. So how do we use this? Okay, you just have to mix it with milk, rose water or aloe vera gel, and then you can apply it all over your face and then leave it on for 15 minutes, and then you can wash it off and you will be good to go. Now this one says you can use this 2 or 3 times in a week, and this one retails for 300 rupees. So I'm really curious to use this and see if this actually worth the money or not. And it doesn't say the gram of the product actually. How much do you weigh? Okay, it's 100 gram of product, and this is how the product looks like. And inside we have, oh my god, no, shit, I just spilled it all over. See, it's, oh damn it, it's on my hand as well. So this is how the clay looks like. I don't really know what French clay is beneficial for, so we'll have to search that up and see. Let's see if they have any ingredient mentioned over here. It just says French pink clay, so I'm not sure about that. And I actually spilled everything on my bed as well, so we have to keep that aside. And let's move on to next product. I see a portly here from Plum again. We have received their body wash and their, what was that, hair mask, yeah, hair routine cut combo before as well. Now this time okay, this one is from the brand called Plum, and this time we have, I don't know what we have inside. Okay, we have Plum Ka Camoline and White Tea Brighten Up Face Scrub, which is obviously a sample size, and we also have Sheer Matte Day Cream. So that's how the packaging looks like. Now this is obviously a face cream, like normal face cream, and it does have SPF 50, so that's a great thing. You can use this as a sunscreen as well. And this is just a regular scrub. Now this one retails for ₹99, like 99 rupees ka ek, or this one retails for ₹175. So yeah, that's the duo we have this time, which is from the brand Plum Goodness. Now the next thing I see here is from the brand called Adidev Naturals. It's their Ananda Miraculous Face Serum. This one is 10 ml bottle, and this one retails for ₹695, which is very, very expensive. Okay, it says it's retails for $695 over here, but the MRP is of ₹799. Now this one expires in 2023, and I'm really excited to use this one because it's a face serum, and yeah, you can use face serum on a daily basis, at night especially, and it's not greasy at all. And I love the packaging. I don't really know how this smells. Oh, I can smell a little. This must have strong fragrance, that's why I can smell this a little even with the stuffy nose. So yeah, that's there. I'm really excited to use this one. I'm really looking forward to put this on my skin and see how that works. So that was the second last product in this bag. Now the last product we have this month's bag is a lipstick, which is from the brand Revolution Pro. It's their Supreme Matte Lip Pigment, and I have went for the shade Foresight, and this is a full size product and retails for ₹695. And this is how the shade looks like. You obviously have a choice to, like, you had a choice to choose your shade, and I went with this shade, and I'm sure you cannot get this anymore because the month has already ended. And I'm just going to give you a little swatch somewhere over here. Yeah, so this is what I have chosen, and it's little bright for my skin tone, but I think I can still wear this on some occasions and we will be good to go. So this is the last product in this month's bag. Now I also have a bonus product which I got as a gift because I went for the renewal of the subscription. That's why I got Sugar's Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in the shade 02 Gold Glory, and this is how the product looks like, and this is what it looks from inside. Thank God it's not broken this time, because otherwise last time when I renewed my subscription and I got Sugar Ka palette, it was completely broken and I couldn't really replace or exchange it. So yeah, that was that. Now this was the last thing in this month's bag, and we are done with July's FabBag, I believe. Yeah, everything is done. So that was all. Now thank you so much for watching, guys. I will put all the link in the description bar below, so don't forget to check that out if you wish to purchase a FabBag for yourself. I will mention the prices and everything in the description bar below, so don't worry and just go and check my description box out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have watched this video so far, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.